Here is a list of 5 writing websites that are guaranteed to make you from $100 to $300 per month. And if you're like me who is living in Nigeria, you should know that $100 is over 150,000 naira, $300 is over 400,000 naira. And if you're in Nigeria earning this much money, you are definitely earning more than many civil servants out there. So if you are wanting to start writing online to make money for yourself, this is a video for you, because in this video I'll be showing you the website of which you'll be using to make money online. The first website we are looking at is iReader. iReader is a platform whereby you are going to write romance story, or you can write werewolf stories, and then they will pay you directly into your bank account in dollars whenever your book sells. Yes, your book have to sell before they pay you. Alright, so you don't have to bother about promotion with this website, because they are going to do all the promotion for you. They are going to do all the awareness for you. Everything you need to do is just update daily chapters on this platform. So if you come to iReader Writing, as you can see on the screen, iReader Writing, just type this to Google. It will take you to their writing portal. If you are going to read their story, you can go to Apple Store, or you go to Play Store to download their application iReader, and then you can start reading their stories, right? But if you are wanting to write on their platform, you are just going to go to iReader Writer, just search it on Google, it will bring you here, and you can create an account with them for free. Alright, if your story is good enough, be sure, rest assured that you are going to make from $100 to $300 monthly. And there are writers who are definitely making much more money from this platform. I personally, I have been able to withdraw over $200 from this platform, so you can do the same as well. The second platform we are looking at is called Novel Snack. This platform came into existence not very long ago, and ever since they came into existence, they have been making writers proud. They offer both exclusive contracts and non-exclusive contracts. As you can see on the screen, Novel Snack. So all you have to do is to register for free on their platform, and if you can write romance story, you can write werewolf romance story, this is a platform that is going to reward you greatly for your hard work, because they give you over 70% profit share. Alright, so everything you need to do is create an account with them for free. At the third one, we have Alpha Novel. Alpha Novel is a platform whereby you can submit your romance book, your billionaire, your werewolf, your general romance, anything that has to do with a female lead being the hero of the novel. You can submit it on Alpha Novel and get contracted and start making money online. Alright, to sign up on Alpha Novel is very easy. Everything you need to do is to have a Gmail account, and you can create an account with them for free. Alright, as you can see on the screen. After you create an account with them for free, you can just come to become a writer. Now when you come to become a writer, you will sign up and do all of that. Then you are going to create your own story, just like everybody out there. Every writer out there are creating their own story as well. And as you can see on the screen, Alpha Novel royalties and bonus plan up to 60% net revenue and up to $2,150 in bonuses. Alright, you have bonuses when you sign up an exclusive contract with them, and then you can also sign off a non-exclusive contract with them. This means that you can put your book on this platform and also put your book on Amazon. You can put your book on Kobo. You can put your book on any writing platform that you know. Alright, iPhone books, Google Books, anything. You can put your book on them and also put your book on this platform non-exclusively. But if you are going with the non-exclusive contract, you are going to be awarded bonuses and also profit share. This means that you cannot publish your book anywhere else. I personally, I have made over $200 from this website. Fourth website we have is Web Novel. Web Novel has been in existence for a very, very long time. They have been in existence since way before 2015, but I only got to know about them since 2020. And since 2020, I have personally been using this website to make money for myself as a writer. Alright, this website, they will pay you up to $200 in bonuses, and there are writers who are making as much as $5,000, as much as $10,000, as much as $15,000, $50,000, $70,000 on this platform. And everything you need to do is to sign up on this platform for free. Alright, when you sign up on this platform for free, you can create your own book, or you can create your own book by writing 12,000 words into the book. After you've written 12,000 words into the book, you are going to apply for a contract, and after your book has been approved, you can continue your story and you can start making money with your story. A lot of writers are doing this, as you can see on the screen that these are a lot of books. I don't know why these are not showing, but I think it's as a result of my internet connection. Alright, so let me try to refresh this page. I want them to load the pictures of this book and everything. You can see on the screen, these are a lot of books. Most books that are performing very, very well on this platform are fantasy. As you can see, this is Shadow Slave, this is Cultivation Online, this is The Fair Legendary Beast, The Supreme Magnus. These are fictional books and these are fantasy that are really performing so well on this platform, and writers on this platform are really cashing out big time. So if you are from Nigeria, you can also create your book on this platform and make money at the fifth website is Letter Logs. As you can see on the screen, Letter Logs. This is a platform that is going to offer you both non-exclusive and exclusive contract as according to how you want it. And if your writing is very good enough, you are going to make a lot of money from this website. Aside from the income that they are going to pay you, you can also earn some bonuses. Both non-exclusive and exclusive are liable to earn in bonus too, as they earn their profit share. Alright, so you can consider this platform and you write on them. So let me know in the comment section, what platform would you be trying out as a writer, and how much are you looking to earn from this platform?